guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a turbulence effect on VideoStar. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so to begin with, press on New Multi-Layer, and then press on 1, which just represents the first layer, and then import your clip. Now press on this layout icon and search up Turbulence. Okay, and there are a bunch of different options to choose from. I'm just going to use Turbulence 2 because I'm pretty sure, if I'm remembering right, I liked it more than any of the other ones. Now, if you press on this up arrow right here, you can choose how fast it goes. And then with this slider, it changes how much turbulence there is. I'm going to put mine at about here. Now press 1, press edit keyframes, and then press on this opacity icon and it will change to a layout icon. And what you want to do is go to the end of the clip and drag the layout down to about like 5 maybe. Now press back, press create, then press done. Alright, so if you're doing the free version, that's it guys. It looks really nice, but then if you want to do the paid version to just make it, a little smoother, follow these next steps. Now press New, Transform, and then VS Motion Blur. All it does is it makes it just a little bit smoother. Now press Create. Now press Done, and that's it guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!